we have, with the 1 pound of ground beef in the mixture, it makes about 16 of those size of meatballs. Welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen, unfiltered. It's been a rough day. Today we are making albondigas. I've been practicing saying it. Albondigas soup. I don't know why I have to say it so aggressively.
It depends on my culture.
Yeah, really. I like it because I kind of think of it as like an American version of vegetable soup. You can add in whatever you want, right? But I know there's standards. The standards are like potatoes, zucchini, cilantro, lime, meatballs, right? So in here I have about 3 medium potatoes diced, not little. That's the zucchini. A carrot diced, or not diced, sliced. I told you it's going to be a rough one. And they're just kind of simmering with an onion and cilantro and salt and pepper and some ground cumin. In here I have the meatballs. I have 1 pound of ground beef. I don't have rice because I used it on the last pot of soup I made. So I have breadcrumbs in there to bind them, an egg, cilantro, onion, salt, pepper, and some ground cumin, and minced garlic. Did I already say that?
I don't know.
So I'm going to mix that together. I'm going to par bake them because I like to par bake them, which means bake them a little bit before I put them into the pot. In the pot, I'm going to add a half a large can of diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and I'm going to add more bouillon, water, and just flavor the broth up to taste. In here, what I did to make it a little bit spicy, I blended some of the diced tomatoes with a jalapeno to add a little spice to it. Once the meatballs are done, I'm going to throw them in the pot and let them cook in, and then the flavors are all going to merge. I'm probably going to add some lime. I may add more cilantro, and I might put a can of corn in there because Tori recommended that. And I do have an extra corn on the cob, so I might chunk that up and put it in there too. So we'll be back with the taste test and we'll see how it all goes. But soup month. So next week I don't know what soup I'm making. So if you have any suggestions, please send them. I hope you tried the zuppa Toscana because that went really fast in this house. Wasn't that really good, Bill?
Yeah, that really tasted
okay,
like it.
When we come back, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and give me ideas for some soups. Yeah.
What's your problem?
I'm getting the bird today from my son.
You get a foot.
Yeah. We are back to Mama Debz Kitchen. We have the Albondigas Soup. I don't know how to say it. Albondigas. That's how I say it, and everyone makes fun of me. And here we have, with the 1 pound of ground beef in the mixture, it makes about 16 of those size of meatballs. So Billy's going to be my taste tester. There's carrots. I think I said it's like a zucchini squash thing. Carrots, potatoes. I added corn, cilantro, onion, all the good stuff. I'm gonna get more potatoes because I know you like potatoes. Are you gonna eat that much?
I don't know.
Okay. Are you in the frame?
I hope so.
You're the only one here, so you got to be the taster.
Yeah.
Get the meatball in it.
Yeah.
I didn't make it too spicy.
It's really good.
You like it?
It is. Very good.
Good.
I'm gonna eat it now.
He's gonna eat it now. So easy soups. Still don't know what I'm making next week. So tune in. I've decided that I'm going to bake some pies for Thanksgiving. So I would love ideas on that.
Yeah.
I don't really bake pies. So I think homemade pies would be fun. Right?
Fun.
Fun. Yeah, something different.
Okay.
We usually make cookies and cakes and stuff like that. So I told my sister, let's make some pies.
You don't know how to have fun.
Tell me what soups you think I should make. What? Am I changing the subject? Are you laughing because I'm changing the subject? Well, I'm trying to get out of here, right? Thank you for tuning in. Albondigas soup. You can top it with lots of different toppings. We're not really topping it with anything today. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.